All right, so this morning I'm getting ready to pack up a motor that I had built for some guys down in Houston area, and they're having a car show today called Dubs on Display. It's usually a pretty quaint little show, but it's fun to hang out with those guys. It's a lot of the Houston DOK chapter guys, and they put that on. So we're gonna go down there. We're gonna see if we can meet up with like somebody like Jason. He has a YouTube channel called JW Classics. VW, I think, is the whole tagline for that one. But that's the game plan today. We're going to get this loaded up and head out.
did. I won a pretty cool glow-in-the-dark trophy, Tommy B. It looks cool on the hood because it shines really cool. You should come over and take a look.
Yeah,
Look at it.
Let's do it.
And that's beyond.
Look at that reflection.
Ah, look at that action.
All right, man. Hey, safe driving home, okay? See you later, buddy. It's pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's pretty cool.
She's a glower. Cool, let's do it. Let's move these big old seatbelts out of here. Ah, good seat.
So tell us a little bit about what we got going on here. How's this car running?
She's running great. I won't tell you guys how fast she goes on the interstate on the way up here, but she moves. She moves pretty good.
Do you get going Gen light speed?
This doesn't count. It's not right.
Yeah, so like mine would go all the way around and it would touch this needle over here.
It'll bottom out at the
So
needle.
it's called Gen light speed because it goes all the way over to the generator, the oil line.
I have my phone in here though, so I can see the real speed when I'm, got the maps up on there.
Oh yeah, do you get it going?
She goes. She's good for passing. Turbos are good for passing.
Oh yeah.
Good passing speed.
Get the boost going and we're off and running.
Yeah, it's my baby. But I gotta clean her up when we get back, and we'll see. We'll see. Got a few things to look at. I got a new project coming pretty soon.
What's that?
Well, I can't tell you. That's a secret.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure everybody's already seen that Jason has his own YouTube channel, JW Classics.
JW Classic VW.
Yeah, but don't forget the VW, it's at the end there. So now we watch all your channel and watch all your videos and see the progress as we go through it. It's been a fun little walk along.
Yeah,
Works
they work.
without the power. I'm just pushing buttons over here. I like it. Some Berg 5-speed action.
Berg 5-speed. We just put the fire extinguisher in here for a little bit of safety.
Yeah, we should test it. How fast can you get it out?
Pretty quick.
Oh yeah?
Pretty quick. Boom, like that. We're to the races. And don't forget to tell your grandmas, your mamas, your papas.
Yeah, we tell your aunts and your uncles. They're a little bit younger. He's going for the elder crowd.
Hang on.
Oh yeah, we gotta get prepped.
All right. Say, look at me. Like, come like this. Say, look at this. Show off the sticker. There you go.
Look at
Say, VW Live.
this. VW Light.
Say like and subscribe.
Say, like and subscribe.
You're awesome, dude. I love it.
Those points are actually
Oh, juicy and dropped.
They just need to be. We put the same points.
I like it. We're not driving anywhere. We're gonna act like we're driving.
Let's go high speed.
Yeah.
All the girls like the reverse ball caps.
Yeah, they do. That's the newest thing these days. Yeah.